My wife loved it. It never happens. She always says, damn, you got another grill? Why do we need another grill? Today, we are going to do some authentic wood fire cooking. And we have a unique Finnish grill to do it on. Let's check it out. Today, the Polar Grill arrived, a beautiful Finnish product, and we're going to check it out right now. It's supposed to be here. Morsen, it's not assembled yet. It's not assembled. You want me to put it together first? We still have to do that. I thought we were going to be cooking. I'm here to cook. I'm the cook. Put that camera away. Let's open this thing up. Wow, that's a big package. And most of the time, big packages means big barbecues. And of course, the most important thing about building one of these barbecues is having fun. Before we knew it, time flew by and we assembled this barbecue. It turned out to be an assembly that could easily be done by 2 men. No special engineering skills required here. How cool is this? Our first Finnish wood fire grill. Look at it, this thing is awesome. And this is not an ordinary grill. This is more of a thing to do. Whereas an ordinary barbecue is just a cooking device, this is an activity device. This is something to share with your friends and family. And the good thing is what I just discovered. It's Corona proof! Okay, granted, Morris and I are not the best Corona advisors. But you get the point. We got a lot of width, and this is something you can still share with your friends and family while being in that coronavirus situation. As you can see, there are a ton of features on this grill, which I even haven't discovered yet. There is so much, there's too much to mention. This means it's a very versatile grill. You can have your shish kebab on this grill, you can have salmon on this grill, you can have your ribs on this grill, you can do anything you want on this grill. It's suitable for everything, and the fun part is you get to share it with all your friends. Let's start our first cook on this grill. We fired up our grill with real wood fire. Beech tree actually, and it's burning down right now, turning into beautiful embers on which we are going to cook. And let me tell you what we're going to make. We're going to make delicious burgers. What a great way to get a first cookout on this grill. I always love to throw in an experiment. And since we're making burgers anyway, I want to see if we can do a blindfold test to figure out if you can taste the difference if a burger is seared on a skillet or on a grill grate. For our burger patty, I used 50% strip loin and 50% pork belly. Cut it up into pieces, double grinded it in a machine, and then shaped it into burger patties. For the next step, we're making a burger sauce, and it's just any burger sauce. We're making the red hot burger sauce, starting with half a cup of mayonnaise, then half a tablespoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of fleur de sel, 1 teaspoon of cane sugar, half a teaspoon of Tabasco habanero. Now we'll mix that all up and turn it into a crazy delicious sauce. Let's give that a quick try. Oh yeah, that's a good sauce. That's the mayonnaise-based sauce that I kind of like. Oh, there's the kicker. There's the habanero coming in. Definitely a good sauce. All right, this is how we're going to do it. I got my grill grate. I got a hot fire. Let's put this on. Same thing on the other side. Put the grill grate on. And now we'll put this heavy piece. Of stainless steel on. This thing is so heavy. And that means it will retain a lot of heat. It's time to grill. Wow, that Polar Grill is really doing a fantastic job. The flames are everywhere. This is a true wood fire grill. Crazy hot and at the same time a lot of fun. Our burgers are done, let's take them off. And this is the cool science of grilling burgers. If we take a closer look, you can clearly see that they are completely different. These are the burger patties that have been on the stainless steel plate. And these are the burger patties that have been on the grill grate. The grill grate burger patties have a nice dark color. A color that you expect to have from a grilled burger. Where the stainless steel burger patties have a light brown caramelized color. Of course, it has to do a little bit with the meat from the pig, but the difference is very significant between these two. And that means they will taste differently too. Now let's turn these into proper burgers and do our blind taste test. We'll start with the heel on the bun. Then comes our sauce, julienne carrots, the burger patty, more sauce, fine chopped onions, sweet and sour pickles, another burger patty, and some young Gouda cheese that we didn't melt for our experiment, and finish it off with a dash of hot sauce. And with the crown on top, this is the perfect burger. There are two things that blow my mind at this point. One, how good the Polar Grill performed. This thing is freaking awesome and you can do anything with it that you want. My wife loved it. It never happens. She always says, damn, you got another grill? Why do we need another grill? The second thing that blows my mind is how different these two burger patties look. There is such a big difference in the way they look. We must be able to taste it. But to make sure it's a fair test, I'm gonna cut these burgers up and we're going to be blindfolded and do the blindfold taste test. Let's go!
Not too tight. There you go. You almost break my nose. It's a shame to eat a burger like this blindfolded.
Nice burger. Ooh, spicy.
Ooh, that's hot.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
This is hard.
It's spicy, but it's not too spicy.
I'm trying to figure out if the texture is like the one I think it is, but there's no way to tell.
Wow, this is difficult.
A little crust, but not the whole time.
I like this burger. I love the fact that there's carrots on this.
This is the griddle, I think.
I think this is the griddle burger.
I don't taste enough crust, but I love it.
All right, second one.
I'm still allowed to change my mind?
Of course. It's getting hotter and hotter. Oh man, this is so difficult. This is the grill grate burger because it has a little bit of that char flavor.
I have the feeling that this one has more texture to it. This one has been above the fire.
Oh! I can't see anything.
Oh, I need to adjust.
Oh, I'm right.
You were right. No.
Yes.
So I'm wrong.
Yes, you're wrong. I must say I really enjoy that char flavor that we get from this burger. It gives you that authentic burger sensation, and that's what I'm looking for in a burger.
Really? I like this one better. Yeah. And I thought it was this one. I don't mind. I still like this one better. I'm honest.
I love doing these tests because it's kind of funny. Every time we do one of these tests, me and Morrison pick an opposite one. Last time Morrison picked the opposite one. This time he picks the opposite one. But I'm having fun with my burger. I hope you guys enjoy the test that we do. And if you do, then let us know down below in the comment section. I want to say a special thank you to our patrons and the YouTube members. You guys freaking rock. You know we couldn't make these videos without you, right? Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and
Keep on grilling.
That's right, Morrison. How do you like them carrots?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like the carrots?
No, just kidding.
But if you had to choose lettuce or carrots?
I think lettuce, but it's nice for a change.
It's a good alternative.
I
right?
would still prefer the lettuce, but well, you gotta switch it up. You can't eat it forever the same, right?
Which burger are you eyeballing?
That one. I was actually eyeballing the pickle.
The pickle. Yeah, I can get you another pickle if you want to. Take it before it's gone. Kom je hier nog een hamburgertje eten?